In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check for free if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos or if a YouTube channel is actually monetized. Let's launch the YouTube app and find a channel that we want to find out about, okay? Let's scroll down. Let's see Forbes breaking news. Let's click. It's interesting because some of these channels are not actually monetized. So let's see what about Forbes. All you gotta do is to click on the actual YouTube channel and go ahead and click on the top right corner at the three dots. Then you want to click share and you want to copy the link. After we did that, I want you to go ahead on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this website over here. It's called isthischannelmonetized.com. You want to click on it and then you want to scroll down, and this is where you actually paste the link from the YouTube channel and then click check monetization. Usually it processes a little faster, but you're still gonna get the info. There you have it. So if you scroll down, be careful all these different ads not related to our search, okay? Check if you take the so Forbes breaking news, it's probably monetized. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos, and this website also gives you how many views the channel gathered, how many subscribers, and also it gives you a potential RPMs and how much money with this particular views that they had on the channel these people have made. Just look at this. We're looking at the range on the low end, on the very low end. We're talking about 3.1 million, okay, all the way up to $62 million. Just think about this is a YouTube channel, my dear friends. We're not freaking talking about a corporate business. We're talking about YouTube channel who, could have made $60 million from the channel views. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.